Hi, today I'm going to talk about the task management system demo, and this system is created by the .NET Core MVC. And I'm going to talk about the feature in the system. First is the user registration, set up task, find the task, attach document to the task, arrest the task, and output task. So first, let's see how to do the user registration. This is the system, and there's one button over here, sign up button, and you click on this sign up button, and it's going to put out this sign up page for you. And what you need to do is to key your name, for example, job, and the department, for example, IT department. And for the email, you can write down the email from maybe gmail.com. And for the password, you need to type some. If I type the password that's less than the 6 character, it will alert you that the password must be at least 6 and at maximum 100 characters long. And the confirm password has to be sent at the initial password. After you key in the password, and then you can click on this register button. And you can see that you're put out another warning for you that the password must have at least one non-alphabet numeric characters. It means you need to input some symbol like this one, or something is not ABC or 1, 2, 3. And the password has at least one uppercase. So let me key in the password again. And then after that, you can click on this register button to register you as the user for this system. You can see your email address will appear over here. And now you can start to create a task, or you can start to use this system. We're going to talk about how to set up the task. The feature like create the owner, create a collaborate, create a main task, and create a sub-task. And also how to create the task activities and the timeline of the task. So let's go back to the system again. So now we're in the system, and to create a task, you need to click on this plus sign button here, and you'll put out this create a new window for you. And first you need to type the title of the task. For example, this is my project A, and it already DPRC is a person in charge, and by default you will just put in your name on it, and of course you can change this name if you like. And you can the next is if you had some coworker that work together with you for this project, you can select the coworker from the list here. If the coworker have registered for this assistant, his or her name will appear over here. And this is your group, you can change it. And the due date, you assign the due date for you, and by default it set the due date for today date. So you can change this date here by click on it, and for example you set to 1 week later, it's on the 20th of August. And after that you can click on this create button, and this project that you just created just now, and your name is here and your department is over here, and this is your project file, project title, and this is your due date. And the system will put the due date activity on the timeline over here. Of course, you can change this due date manually by drag and drop like this. For example, you want to change from the 20th of August to the 19th of August, you can just pull this, drag this due date item, and then drop it on this the column. And at the same time, after you drop this due date item on the new location, and the system will add a new due date over here under this task column, and the previous due date is still remain there as a history, so it can track the chain of the due date for you as well. So next, let's see how we can create a sub activity for this project. So the first thing you need to do is click on this project A, and it will bring you to another page. This is the title of your project A, and with this due date. You can create the sub activity by click on this the add button here, and show out this add project window. And as before, you type in this title here. So for example, I want to say that this was the set one, and going to to do some activity here, and you can change the person in charge here. For example, you can change to Mr. A here, and you can change the group and due date. So I'm gonna change the due date to 17th of August, and click on this create button. And you can add another one, set 2, and this Mr. B, and the due date is on the 16th. Now you have two sub activity with this due date assigned for this item here. And next, I will show you how to add this activity item in the timeline here. This is your timeline, and you can create this activity by direct click on the date. On the 11, you can see this the list show up here is come from the master setting. Because if you don't want use this master setting list here, you can direct type in the activity that you want on here. For example, this I keep off, and after finish you typing, you just press the enter key, and you will add the item in. And you also can you can drag and drop like this, and you also can change this item from one activity to another activity like this. And if you don't want this, you can add. Let me show you. I add another one. Now you have two. If you don't want, you want to delete this item, you can click on them, and you can select the one that you don't want. You just click on it, and it will delete out from the timeline. And next, I want to show you how to input this remark. You can input the remark by typing direct typing on this text area here. After typing, you need to press the enter key to save this remark, and it will pop out that and tell you that the remark has been updated. And next, if you want to edit this title or person in charge, the item or the due date, you can also click on this edit button here, and it will bring you to this edit window, and you can change the name John to John 2, and you can change the title, and you just click on this update button, and it will update this the change for you. And you want to go back to the main page, you can click on this home button, and it bring you back to here. And on the main page, adding the remark is the same as the one I showed you just now. Just key in the content and press the enter key, and you can add item like this. So next, I want to show you how to find the task or searching the task. And now we go back to this system here. These three item here is a filter for you to find the task that you are looking for. This is for all the person who has registered to this system. It will list out here, so you can click on the particular person here to list out all the project or the task that created by him or her. And you want to list out all the person, all the project, you can click on this all PIC, or the person in charge. And the second item over here is the status or the project. You can now it's set to the in progress project. You can click on it, and here we have the default setting here, completed project, overdue project, or the in progress project, or all the status. You can, for example, I click on this computer. It will show up all the project having a computer mod here. So I can select the one that I want. So then John. So you only list out the project or task for this John. And you also can search for this title. For example, now I list out all the status and all the person in charge. Then I can search for the title. For example, I search for I can type the keyword on keyword C, and I click this search button, and it will list out all the task title that's containing this capital C. So it's this one. This is the way how you can do the searching on the tasks that are in this system. And you also can use this timeline. The date. This is the starting date, and this is the ending date. This one is to let you to list out all the items of this project. For example, I go back to this. You want to clear out this filter, you need to empty out this one and press this search button again. And for example, I want to list out, because now this project B have not inside this timeline timestamp here. So maybe it's on the July. So you can change this timeline starting date like this way. So you can see. So you will see that this project has been completed on the 2nd of July. Of course, you can use the scroll bar here to scroll the timeline, and you can see that this the title of the task and the remark is following this the scroll bar. So I think that's all for this searching feature for this system. So next I will talk about how to attach the document to the project. Let's go back to this the system here. So let me just look this out. This the project DROM here. So and one more thing I want to show to you is because now I log in as the DROM, so I cannot edit or delete the project from the other person. And you can see the edit button and delete button are available for me on the project B and project C because it belongs to somebody else. So if you want to attach the document, for the project A, you can click on this attach button, and you open out this Outlook document window, and you click on this choose a file button, and you can go to search for the file that you want to attach into this project. So for example, I want to attach this file MVC. I select and I click on this open, and after that you need to press click on this Outlook button, and you will upload this file into this table here. If you want to delete this document, you don't want this document anymore, you can click on this delete button beside it, and you click on this OK button, you're going to delete out this document from the table here, the list here. So one more time, I choose the file ABC and open, and click on this Outlook file, and let me create select another file 1 2 3 and open and Outlook again. Now I have two documents here. So if you want to build this document, you can click on this document and you will download this document into your download folder. So if you want to build it, you can click on it, and you can see this document that I have uploaded. And for example, ABC, and this is the one. This is the so if you are, because now you are loading at the DROM, so you cannot edit or delete or add the document into the other people project. For example, project B, you only can view the attachment here. So you can see you only have this attach document button here, or you click on it, you don't have this Outlook file button option for you in this window here. If this project B has the document, it will list up here, so you can click on the document over here as before. And of course, you don't have this delete button showing out for you at this window here. So these procedures how to attach document to the project in this system. And next, I want to show you how this system can alert the person in charge about the status of the project or is overdue. For example, if this due date is overdue, for example, today is on the 13th. If I move this due date to this yesterday, and you need to delete this the complete item here, and you can see that the system will show the alerts by blinking on the title of the project. So projects were overdue, and you need to pay attention on it. And another thing is this system will send the email about the status for the overdue item to the user by using the email that have been registered before. If you want to stop these alerts, you need to change the due date, or you need to put in this complete item done, and then it will say this project already completed, and it will stop this blinking. So this the way how this system can alert the person in charge about the status of the project. And the last one I want to show you is how to output the data to the Excel file or to the graph. So let's go back to the system here. So if you want to output this all the list of the project here, you can click on this Excel button here, and it will download this. It will convert this database into an Excel file for you, and into your local download folder, and you click on it, and you can open out this project file in the Excel like this, and you can see the summary of this project in this desk block here, and you click on this desk block, and you can see on the years this year how many projects have been created by this person and this person, and you can change this time over here. You can click type, and you will just list out the years of the projects by changing this the year over here. I think that's all for the demo, the simple demo for this project that created by the .NET ASP.NET Core MVC.